Welcome to my Sunday farm. Today I have a small haul, so let's get this open. I'm just gonna get it open and see what it is. So here I have some multivitamins for women, and these are like 70 gummies. These have everything for bone health, immune health, and energy metabolism. So I think you take, take 2 gummies a day, and it's important to take multivitamins if you need them, especially if you're vegan or like on your diet and nutrition initiative. They're so good. They're very delicious. These are strawberry flavored by Nature Made. I got these for like $6. These are a good deal. There's these and another one on sale for like $6. So that's like 2 options. And the other ones are probably good flavored too. As far as gummies, I like gummies because you just take it and that's it. And vitamins, you gotta get the water out, and it's an ordeal. But these are Labrada shakes. You can see them. These are Labrada shakes. These are called Lean Body Shakes. And let me get them out. So I got this pack for $37. And this pack is about 12 or something. I think it's a 12 pack. Let me see. It's a 12 pack. These have 40 grams of protein, 0 grams of sugar. These are only 270 calories. So these are good, protein supplement. Even if you're doing masking, you can probably use these because they do have 40 calories. So I know a lot of mask gainers don't have a lot of protein. So these are good too. You can use these probably, probably during the day sometime, and then take your other one, your actual mask gainer. And if you're leaning out too, this is good. It keeps you up with your energy. And also, if you just, working out, protein is important to building muscle. So I also have this is Aero Filter Finish Lip Definer pencil. This is by, who is this by? I think it's Revolution Beauty. Yes, it says it right there. And the color is burnt cinnamon. I can probably try it out for you guys if you guys want me to. But I got this one because I tried this other one. It was a peach or something. And I saw online somebody recommended it, and I was like, oh, okay, let's get that one. And it looked like a clown. So I got this one on sale, and it was like $3. And so I was like, let me get this one because it was on sale and it was pretty. So I ordered something else. I'll show you guys the other thing that I ordered. I'll probably show you together, so that way we can test it out and see these two hit. But for sure, I can't wait to drink these because these be giving me like these give me hella gain things. The other ones I use muscle milk like to keep me going, like wellness. Those help me a lot, and those help me achieve my goals and stuff. But these ones want to show muscle. These ones really hit, like, for real. So that's about all. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. My so different. Bye bye.